New Zealand Garden Bird Survey, 1 week, each year, how to take part, for schools, years 1 to 8. Number 1. Select your survey area, garden, park or school. Number 2. Choose your survey day. Any day during the week of the Garden Bird Survey. Choose just one day that suits you. Number 3. Print a tally sheet. Optional, but recommended. Number 4. Organise 6 tag teams for the 1 hour survey. Each team of 1 to 3 people picks a 10-minute slot. Number 5. Find a comfy seat, outdoors or indoors. Number 6. Look and listen for birds for 10 minutes. Number 7. Record what you see or hear. For each species, record the highest number of birds you see or hear at one time. Let's try an example with a tally sheet at the ready. If you see 2 blackbirds at one time, cross up to 2 on your tally sheet. If you then see 4 blackbirds at one time, cross up to box 4. If you then see 3 blackbirds at one time, do not add up to 7. Leave highest number at 4. So for our example, highest number of blackbirds seen at one time equals 4. Summarise the results from your 1 hour survey. Gather together your 6 tally sheets. Select the highest number of birds seen at one time. Highest number of blackbirds seen at one time equals 6. Number 9. Submit your results online. gardenbirdsurvey.landcareresearch.co.nz